Today, we head to Mexico where golden tortillas and melted cheese create the nation's beloved quesadillas. To a pot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then add in 1 onion finely chopped and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic paste. Saute this until the onions become light golden brown in color. Once the onions have slightly browned, add in half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Remember, this is still on medium heat, and once you've mixed the spices, add in half a cup of tomato puree. To this, also add in half a tablespoon of dried oregano and half a teaspoon of fine salt. Mix properly and then add in 500 grams of chicken, finely chopped, cubed or minced. Cook the chicken until there's no water remaining in the pot and it's completely dry. Once the water has dried out, add in about 2 tablespoons of coriander and 2 tablespoons of jalapenos. Your filling is now ready and it is so fragrant and colorful. Now to assemble our quesadillas. Over a pan on medium heat, place 1 tortilla into the pan. Add in some Gouda and mozzarella cheese. It's entirely your choice. Place about 2 full tablespoons of the chicken filling on half the tortilla. Sprinkle more cheese on top of the chicken. Then quickly fold the tortilla in half as shown. The tortillas must be soft to the touch and not too crispy. So make sure to work fast over these tortillas. Remove only once the cheese has melted. Then do the same for all the tortillas until you have finished the chicken filling and the tortillas. From the 500 grams of chicken filling that was made earlier, you should get about 8 quesadillas. Serve these with a dip or as is or with French fries. They are simply delicious. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell. Catch you in episode 5.